Bonjour. Today we're going to review the test chapter 4, like we did the previous time. I'm going to go through it very quickly. So again, same structures than before, right? No surprise. We're going to have a listening part. You're going to tell me if we talk about grading, some pencil, some geography, or some book. Okay. Then you're going to hear a conversation and you're going to tell me what Hamed is looking for. Okay, he's looking for a pencil case or he prefers a red one. So you pick that, listen a couple times. You know that now. You get used to it. You need to listen to it a couple times. And again, those are a lot of points, so we can't miss them. The reading part, as usual, you have a schedule, you have question about the schedule. I will be careful when I read the schedule not to go too fast, because sometimes my students, they go too fast, and they make little mistake and they lose points. That would be too bad. You have a text, you read it, you translate it, and you answer the question. Again, you should have 8 here. Culture part, should I say anything about it, or do you know by now? Flash culture and green culture part in the book. You read it, you look at it, you find it, and you get a good grade. Easy. You have a couple of words here, and you need to put them in the right place. Nothing complicated. Okay? Vocabulary, if you're not sure, open a dictionary. So this way you're going to know which one to use. We're talking about the time here. I want the time just like in the book, right? So 8:30 a.m., I want that with letters, right? Take your time. It is 8:30 in the morning. It is 5:50 in the afternoon. Or you can maybe say it's 10 till 6 p.m., right? It's 15 till 7 a.m. It's noon, it's 3:20 p.m. Okay, nice sentence, takes your time, 10 points here. You can have everything. Don't forget to say of the morning, of the afternoon, or of the evening it's needed. Okay, evening it's after 6 p.m., right? Just so you know. Then you need to write a complete sentence. I have the need of, I have the need of. You learn that we have two ways to say it. I have the need of, or it's needed to me. So my advice would be like the first one. I think it's going to be like that always. You know, the questions, they change a little bit during the test, but I can't give you everything, right? For art, what do you need? I have the need of a pencil. For German, what do you need? It's needed to me a dictionary. Don't forget the right? For math, I have the need of, and my advice would be to, I think I make the comment in the test actually. One time I want you to use j'ai besoin de, one time I want you to use il me faut, I think. Here, we learned during the lesson that if we don't want to repeat what we are talking about, we can use an article, les. Okay? So, for example, cahier, it's plural here, bleu. And they say, I need the blue one. So, I have the need, it is needed to me, the blue one. Here, I put les bleus, les, because cahier, which is not book, it's plural, les bleus. So here, ordinateur, is it masculine, feminine, or plural? So, il me faut, it's going to be either le, la, or les. It's not plural, right? It's not feminine. So I would say il me faut le moderne. Make sure that the adjective after, you see here, I added the S because it's plural. Make sure the adjective, the color, is matching what we are talking about, right? The conjugation. You have a subject, you have a verb. You've seen that in the lesson. Match the subject with the verb. Match the verb with the subject. So with nous, what do we have usually at the end? I think we have ONS. With je, we only have a E. And here you have to be careful because those are irregular verbs, by the way. There is a little something going on here. So you're going to have to be careful. It's exactly what we did during the lesson. If you read it, if you listen to it, if you open your book, you should have 10 here. You should have 10. You must have 10 here. Take your time with you. Maybe I put an S at the end. I don't know. Okay? Here, maybe there is accent story. Those are irregular ER verb. So the ending is going to be the same, but some little stuff is going to change. Okay? Oh, here they do everything for you. I like it. You have to tell your friend, your pen pal, what three things you do. I mean, look, they do everything. On Monday, I have French at 3 p.m. I love the French class. On Tuesday, I have tennis at 6 p.m. I really, really, really like tennis. You know what I mean? I mean, on Friday, I have history at 2 p.m. Okay? I mean, that's it. And you get 10. You need to write a note to your friend to ask them if you can borrow full item. Okay. So here you can say, hi, Lucy, I'm sorry, but can I borrow? I have the need of full item today. I have the need of a ruler for math. I have the need of a dictionary for my French class, etc., etc. Okay. All of that has been done in the homework. So if you did your homework, if you open your book, you should have a good grade. Again, if you got below 90 before, use your book for this test. If not, if you got over 90, you don't need the book. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.